Hey everybody, my name is Austin, and if you haven't seen my other videos, I just recently built one of the world's smallest tiny houses on a 5 by 8 foot trailer. Now that the trailer little tiny house is done, I just bought a piece of land, so I'm going to be setting that up on the land and building a whole outdoor kitchen and outhouse and setting up into a whole little rental property. So here we go, follow along. As you just saw, I set up the trailer on a little foundation and put it in place and made it pretty permanent. So what I did here was I poured about 3 bags of just regular Home Depot cement underneath the trailer down here. And then I got some heavy duty chains and chained it to the trailer just to make sure nobody could steal it. And then I leveled the whole trailer on cinder blocks. And I also removed the tongue from the trailer just to make sure that nobody could steal it if they tried. So yeah, now that the trailer is set up on the foundation, I'm going to be working on an outhouse. Alright, there you have it. The outhouse is complete now. So what I did was I buried some cinder blocks into the ground and attached the outhouse to it, which just helps hold it upright so it won't blow over in the wind. And then over on the right side here, I used some decking boards and made a little platform for an outdoor solar shower. And then I have just a regular solar shower bag that hangs from that washer up there on the roof. And then inside the outhouse, I just have a regular, simple composting toilet system. It's just a regular bucket that you sprinkle sawdust on top when you're done using it. It's pretty simple and easy. And then over on the right side, I have a cabinet, which I just store cleaning supplies. Alright, now that the outhouse is complete, I'm going to be working on a fire pit area. So I got an old washing machine and I'm going to take out the drum inside of it and turn that into a little fire pit. So here we go. kit is complete. It turned out pretty nice. Now I have some Trex decking boards that I got for free off Facebook Marketplace, and I also have some pallet wood that I'm going to be using to build a whole deck and outdoor kitchen. It should be pretty cheap since it's all reused and free supplies. So here we go. Alright, so now I'm going to start working on the outdoor kitchen. I found a 2x4 frame just on the curb somewhere someone was getting rid of. So I'm going to use that as the frame for the flooring. And I also have some leftover Trex decking, which I'll use for the flooring. And I have some leftover roof panels from the actual trailer. So I'm going to try to build this little outdoor kitchen with as much scrap leftover material as possible and keep it pretty cheap. So here we go. Alright, now the kitchen and the deck are complete, and that's the end of this project. So what I also did was I got some solar lights, and these have a sensor in them, so they automatically turn on when the sun sets. And then I also put some railing around the deck and made a little step to go down to the tiny house. On the deck here, I got this barbecue grill for really cheap, just off of the internet from someone who was trying to get rid of it. And then I got this whole table and chair set for free also from someone just getting rid of it. And then in my fire pit area, I also got those chairs for free. They were just sitting on the curb. Someone was getting rid of them, so I picked them up. Alright, there you have it. That's the end of this video and the end of this short series of videos where I turned that 5x8 foot trailer into a little tiny house and I set it up on a whole property. So if you want to actually stay in the tiny house, it is listed on Airbnb now, and I'll have a link to that down in the description below. I'll also be coming out with another video soon, which will be a more in-depth tour video showing the whole property and the tiny house and talking about how I built it. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe and stay tuned for my new videos. Thanks for watching.